How much does it cost to replace a phone screen? At some point, almost every iPhone user will drop their phone and break the device's screen. This kind of accidental damage is a relatively inexpensive fix to have done through an Apple store if the phone is under warranty. However, if it's no longer covered by an Apple warranty, Apple's fees increase significantly. Another repair option is having a cracked iPhone fixed by a third-party service provider, which is often less expensive. Apple charges set fees for replacing a broken iPhone screen, which start at just $29 if it's under AppleCare coverage. Out of warranty, replacing the glass screen costs $129 to $329. Additional repairs, such as to the LCD or digitizer layer, cost anywhere from $149 to $599. You don't have to worry for fair pricing though. Sydney CBD Repair Centre offers fair pricing on all iPhone screen replacement. Have your iPhone fixed today. Call 8011 4119 or visit Sydney CBD Repair.